After a few months of only seeing emergency cases, a Sioux Falls oral surgery office is slowly opening its doors to see more patients. In tonight's Health Beat, KELOLAND's Sophie Heineman shows us what precautions they're taking to keep patients and staff safe.
Siouxland Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery is looking forward to seeing more patients as South Dakota reopens.
A lot of care that wasn't being taken care of preventively during the lockdown really started to catch up with everybody. So I'm really glad that our general dental colleagues are able to open up in some fashion and start taking care of some of these problems that will turn into bigger problems over the next couple of months.
Oral surgeon Dr. Dennis Miller says keeping up with oral health appointments is crucial to preventing even more damage. That's why he says his office is taking every possible precaution to make patients feel safe.
Patients, drivers wait in their cars. We ask them a series of questions as they make their appointment. We ask them what we call the COVID questions. Again, when they're here, immediately when they come in the building, they have to wash their hands with a disinfectant such as Purell or Avogard. They immediately get their temperature taken.
That's in addition to a negative pressure room the facility will soon be using, which he says will help mitigate aerosols. Staff will also be in full PPE, and no patients will cross paths with other patients.
I was a patient here before the COVID-19 episode started, and they've taken every precaution possible to keep appointments and do everything as much on schedule as they possibly can.
Harold Timmerman says with the safety measures in place, he feels safe coming in for an appointment. And that's exactly what Miller says is the goal.
I think that everyone should be concerned. Everybody should be prudent. But I don't think that they should be fearful.
With Health Beat, I'm Sophie Heineman.
Miller also asked patients to wear a mask, and if you don't have one, the office will provide you with a disposable one.